Morning folks, we've decided to come out and give Chancer a well-earned woods run. So we've come over to this is the pine forest that you can see from our campsite, but on the other side I think the nearest little village is a place called Crawford John.
Okay.
So you just go just over the hill, but we just had a lovely drive down a road that we travelled 14 months ago in the snow, and yeah, so we've come into this. But it's definitely a wellies job. And
It's beautiful. I love forests.
here he goes. You get to have some fun. He's been such a good boy, so. Because we've got as far as we can with the diesel heater. That's we're just waiting now on parts and stuff. We had a lovely visit yesterday from Neil and Naomi from Grape Soda Travels. Hi guys, hope you made it over to Oban nice and safely. It was a lovely afternoon with you guys. So yeah, so we thought, well, Saturday morning, a bit slodgy there, we should get out, and Chance hasn't had a run in the woods for ages, so he just sunk, sorry. Anyway, oh god, I'm walking on some kind of wall here. Oh, that's better. I don't know where he's gone, so I'm going to call him. This way. This way. Chancer. This way. You're enjoying the woods, are you? As you can see, it's quite long. Oh my god, there's a massive great bog there. Oh yeah, look, it's through the water.
Ah, we
went up through that way, didn't we?
This way.
How do
Way.
how do we get up there then?
This way.
Well, when we find a way through. Oh, yeah, he's just gone through all right, has he? Yeah, yeah. Straight through the flipping thing. Right, okay. Now, it might go a bit dark inside here. We'll see. Wow. Oh, okay. Now I've definitely lost him.
This way. This way.
You found us. Oh, it is a bit dark, so we'll catch up with you up there a bit further. Where's the ball? Find it. Find it. Where's the ball? Find the ball. It's massive, isn't it?
That's the road. Running alongside.
Right.
And that's where we are. And it's big.
It is big.
So we don't get lost.
Yeah, we'll be alright. Right, you got the ball, good boy. This is the forest that featured in one of our early videos where we found the pants.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, we were cleaning up.
We were cleaning up people's litter. Walking through. And yeah, we came across someone's pants. Which was jolly handy they've come in too.
That's disgusting.
I know that is. Yeah, we came up that way. Come this way, Chance.
Good boy.
Yeah, I'm. Oh!
I don't think you meant to do. I think the ball's long enough.
No, he's got it in his mouth, hasn't he? Chance? Oh. Where have you put the ball? Find it. There it is. Find the ball. Yeah, good boy. Come on in.
I don't know if you can see all the tadpoles in there, look. I don't know if they're toads or frogs. Loads of them.
Yeah, there's a bridge here, look. Hopefully this week, coming after the weekend, the weather's going to slightly improve, so we should be able to start going out properly, because so we can't do anything to the van until this diesel eater stuff arrives. And we've also got to find some furniture board that matches in with the colour of our van, which I've got to say is proving really difficult. Can't find any online. And the closest colour match we've come to is a maple, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's not. It's close, but it's not close enough for my liking.
I can't throw it as far as you're running.
Have a little like tree-lined avenue. Where's the ball now, you lunatic? Find it.
Find the ball.
Come on, you dropped it. It's around here somewhere. Find it. Good boy. We'll make a sniffer dog out of you yet. Cool. Now just through there is where we parked last time. We're going to be heading over that way. There's a bit of a sort of picnicky area, but it looks like it's got a bit of a encampment going on. And a load of tents and cars and stuff, so very cool. But unfortunately, same thing again when we were here last time. Stacks and stacks of litter. Look at it all, just toilet paper everywhere. For God's sake, people. As far as I can see, it's toilet paper. Oh my God. I'm sorry, but if you're going to behave like that, you just deserve not to have anywhere to park if you're going to behave like that. It's disgusting in there, baby. Don't want to go in there.
No?
It's just disgusting what a fucking litter everywhere.
I know.
It's all toilet paper.
It's disgusting.
It is disgusting. You know, I'm all for people parking out in vans, but for God's sake, that is a joke. I don't even know if you can see it, but from as far as you can see, toilet paper.
Filthy, dirty, horrible people.
Yeah.
Sort your life out.
Yeah. You're fucking disgusting. Yeah. Who can blame them when they shut these places down?
Yeah. Didn't bring a bin bag this time.
No. We cleaned loads of it up last time. Not that we're saints or anything, but Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we've just come through that way. This is lovely. Over the other side of the road, there's a load of people wild camping. And then we walk through here, just down there. Actually makes you want to cry. Full of toilet roll, wine bottles. It's disgusting. And dangerous for the wildlife as well. It's awful. Whoever you are, well, hope the worst happens to you.
You can hear me say something I wish I would never have to say, but I hope they shut that down properly. And that's not something I say lightly, believe me.
What's that?
I hope they shut that down. Because they don't deserve that beauty here. People like that.
Obviously it is whoever's camped there, because it's right opposite where they
Of course it is, yeah. I will point out they're not all van lifers. There's caravaners there, tents there. In fact, there's more caravans and tents than there are vans, actually, in truthfulness. But that's not me sticking up for any of their behaviour. If that's anything to do with them, yeah. Because this is what it's meant to look like. As soon as you get past their campment, lovely, hardly anything on the floor, just twigs. Dirty, disgusting people. Well, you're not people, actually. You know better than, well, I don't know what you know better than, to be honest with you. Hey? Frog?
Wait, because I don't want it to go yet.
It's very dark.
Really well camouflaged.
She's going to film me. Don't hop that way though, mate, you'll end up covered in toilet roll. Anyway, I'm going to get off because that's thoroughly depressed me now. I'm going to play devil's advocate here. Let's suppose that wasn't them there. Then whoever it was, yeah. Yes, scum. I've been summoned. And we're, I think Lorna's found a way down to the river. Oh, the large burn. Yeah, I think that's Crawford John there, which we went and looked around before. There isn't much there, to be fair, but I think you might be right. I'm not worried about getting down, it's getting back up. Whoa, blimey. Perhaps I should have rephrased that. Oh. Yeah, I didn't want to leave the video on that note, so just gets my back up a little bit, because it gives us all a bad name. Anyone who lives in a van gets tarnished as that. And the majority of us aren't like that. The majority of us clean up after ourselves, or we're on campsites, you know. We certainly do not leave places that are like that. And whether it was them or it wasn't, it doesn't matter, because this is the problem that's happening all across the UK. That is happening. Everyone's being blamed. We're all being tarnished, you know. And it's just horrible and wrong. But I didn't want to leave it on that note. So from us, while we have a play, I'm going to say we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Lovely. Trying some good ones.